Hey everyone, today I'm reviewing about this iPhone 360-degree case from Mengde. This case comes along with a glass protector and the set of wipes, which is wet and dry. So this would be useful to apply this glass protector. And this is a case which is very cute in terms of look, and the color combination is also very nice. It has a color combination of pink and purple over here. So basically this is a 360-degree case. It would cover your whole iPhone except the screen part, and hence they have provided the glass protector also. Now I have an iPhone 6s over here and I have already applied the glass protector, hence I have not used this. Now applying the case, it's pretty easy. This case is made up of plastic, and in terms of protection, I don't think it would give more protection, but look wise it looks really cool. Now it's pretty easy. This is the first part, the top part. Just place it. It's set over here, and in the back side also it is very easy to fix it. Okay, so the cover is set, pretty easy to use. Now coming to using the functions, at the base it's pretty easy to charge your phone from here, and also I was able to use the auxiliary cable, the headphones over here, and the speaker. There's a outlet over here for the speaker, and there's a slot for the lock button, and over here there are two slots. One is for the volume and one is for the vibrator option. And backside you can see the logo of Apple, and over here you have photo and for the flash. I was able to use all the functions except one function. So this is switched on. Now if I want to put it open the control center from the down, it becomes little difficult since the cover, this iPhone cover, the 360-degree plastic cover, covers a part of the screen, and hence it becomes difficult to slide up. So it takes me around 3 to 4 takes to slide up, and even for the slide down option it's easy. But if you want to go back to a previous app, so say I'm into notes, and I'm clicking on one of the, let's see, I'll type something over here in the notes, say google.com. okay, www.google.com, and done. Now if I'm going to click on this google.com, so it would take me to Safari. Now this is how it looks like. Now if I want to go back to notes, it becomes little difficult to click on it, so I have to be very particular. See, I cannot click it. So it's on the cover is also covered on the top edge part. So the only two faults that I found was going back to the previous application and opening the control center from down by sliding. So there's one option that you can use for the control center, is that you activate this button, you click it and open the control center from here. Otherwise this is a nice case with good looks and easy to install, and also it comes with an add-on of a glass protector. So for the price of one, you're getting two things. Thank you so much.